All right, we got this chair. I'm sanding it down, and I done took it apart, front back. We're gonna clean this up, and we're gonna turn this chair into a nice chair. All right, take all the hardware out. See if we can take nails out. I took a whole bunch of nails out though. Working on this chair, sanding it down. Okay, I sanded this the best I could. I wiped this off. I bleached this up. It's still like that. So we're gonna have spray paint this. I sanded it. I wiped it off, and it's ready to be spray painted. It's gonna be sit for. This is gonna take me 3 days. It's a 3-day project. I gotta put 2 coatings on this, and then let it dry, and then put the fabric back on. Okay, I have my tray outside. It's ready to be spray painted. It's sanded, cleaned off. I wiped the middle part, but that stain's not coming off. And I did this right here. I got this right here. I put some fabric over it, and I'm about to put it over my faucet. It's just a little, I just put some fabric on it. You know, it's cute though. Goes on your faucet outside for the winter time. So I just put some fabric on it I had. Cute. It looks on the faucet. It's covered up. I took the hose off. Got my chair out here, and I started spraying right there. I already got it sanded. It don't matter where you spray this because it's gonna be all covered up with fabric anyways. This is gonna probably need like 2 coats, maybe. You just spray it. Spray it everywhere. Just kind of go back and forth. Make sure you when you spray paint, just go up and down. I don't care about my damn grass getting gold. It's gonna go away anyway. I had a box out here. I don't know. It probably stuck apart, blew away when they had that storm. That's why we got leaves everywhere. People in their damn trees down from that winter storm we had. Whole damn block of like a hot mess. Like you going into a forest. And all them damn trees. This stuff is strong. You can wear protective masks if you want to. I'm outside, so I'm good. I already sanded this. Come up the back. Make sure when you spray paint, don't have that run effect. It's kind of back up from the chair or whatever project you're working on, so it don't run. Have that drip run look. I think that's kind of what I did right there. I'm not really sure. Looks like it's go like my shoes. Go like my shoes, like my boots. Okay, I'm about to get on the ground to do this. So go way up under here and do this part. Make sure you get everything. Uh-oh. Down here to this front part right here. Okay, so we're gonna let this first coat dry. We're gonna come back in with a second coat. Pretty nice. Put that fabric on there. It's gonna be tight, like my other one. Got 2 chairs. Put the fabric on there, yes sir. Alright, it's kind of getting dark out here. I've already started adding fabric to this. I didn't show that part because it'll take too long. I went and put these beads on them. These are single. Let's see if I got a few left. They come like this. I did it to where the holes of it didn't show. So like if you go this way, you kind of want to do like this. It's like the holes can not show, and then sideways if you're going at the top. Actually came out pretty good. Now I just gotta do the back. Put the back fabric on. So I'm gonna be using my glue gun to secure this part. So when I go to staple it on with my stapler gun, it won't start slipping. It'll give me some grab room. I hope you guys can see this. This is my glue gun. I'll be using this. I got a brand new one. I'm just going to be gluing this fabric to the back of the batten for the chair, so it won't slip when I'm stapling it to the chair, the back of the chair. Just going to give it a tug over here. Not too much of a tug, just so it'll be tight and secure. I'm gonna come this way. It's a lot of fabric right here, so what I do is fold it at the end. Just give it a fold. Whatever material you don't need, just cut it off. Shoes. Just at the corner, right there. Oh, that burned me. No, sir. So I got my legs burned. Let this go up. This in, just start cutting off the excess fabric. I don't need all that. This is easy to work with, so it's going to be soft. Like it's uneven, it's going to come out. So it's going to come out good still, if you know what you're doing. Okay, so we're just going to take this long part. This long part goes at the top, the shorter part goes at the bottom. I already got all the nails out, well, the staples. As much as I could, I left some staples in there because this has to stay stapled to the back for support. Okay, so Let's go for the middle first. And go from there. So I'm just going to tuck this right there. Give it a little tuck. Make sure it reaches all the way to the end. That was a misfire. Okay. Because there's a staple right there. Okay. Let's see. Just make sure you tuck it and just kind of pull it down. Sort of go where the hardness is, where that wood is right there. Okay, I did get all this up here. I'm not really worried about the open gap spaces. I'm going to be using these to cover it up so you can't see none of that. I'm going to go all the way around this whole section right here. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just taking a glue gun. I'm getting another glue stick. Bear with me for a moment. I'm just gonna do a quick demonstration because the rest of the video is gonna be some photos because it's kind of hard to hold the camera steady. So I don't have the right camera. This is just my cell phone. Just go along here. Not too much glue. And go to the end. Make sure get it close together. Just kind of hold it. Give it a little blow. Then make sure that this little opening part is going sideways. Just blow a little bit till it's set and then keep going till you get to the end of the glue line. You just keep going. Just gotta make sure you stay on track. This one kind of went down a little bit. And once you set it up, you'll be able to tell anyways. I'm just about to run out of beads. I think I got enough for that line though. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish this line up. I'm almost done. I actually had enough pearls. Not real pearls, but imitation kind. I got these from JoAnns fabric store. And this material, I got this from Walmart. I'm just gonna leave it at that. This is what it looks like, but it came with the clear housing unit and it had all the pearls in it. It is the imitation pearls. It comes with 65 pieces, and it was like, I think $5.99 a pack or $4.99 a pack, depending on the state or fabric store you go to. Okay, so here's my nice 2 chairs. Here's this one. We did put some little gems on here on the inside and on the outside, and then we have some right there. I did that one first, and I did this one. It looked pretty good. My first time doing chairs. I did a pretty good job. Thanks for watching.